Hello, I am Madhu. I am a Twin Flame Ascension coach. I am a student of Jeffin Shilia's Twin Flame Ascension classes and Twin Flame Life Purpose classes. And today I want to share a topic that is related to Twin Flame support. Even when you are in the separation, do you even realize that your Twin Flame is there with you and constantly supporting you? Yes, that's true. At times, it feels like I'm the only person who is constantly doing the inner work, and I don't even have a twin flame around me. Or at times, even I don't know whether the twin flame that I am thinking about is he the real person? Is she the real person that I am doing all this work for? All this thing really does not matter, right? Because what matters is the connection that I have with my twin flame in my heart. At this moment, am I able to feel the connection in my heart? At this moment, are you able to connect with that connection in your heart, right? And I know if it would have not been my twin flame, I would have not been progressed so far in my life, and I would have not become the person that I am today, right? I was in my life where I was, not actually rich, but actually I was in a state where I was in a upper middle class financial situation, financial status. I was in a, what you call in a societal stable marriage, right? And and I was having a profession that I was, having a good amount of money flow in. But in all through those spaces, I never felt the connection. I never understood why all those things are happening to me, why I feel like I'm constantly lost. I don't connect with anything. I don't feel that, like a connection or a deep intimacy, or I don't feel even passionate about anything, all this thing. So that was what was going on before I met my, first twin flame catalyst, because I had my first awakening with my catalyst. Then after I got into my healing, I when I understood exactly what I am, who I am, and understanding my true self, understanding my true life purpose, understanding the connection with divine, with God. After all through this healing, I just came to understand, you know what exactly is happening, and from where I'm creating all this thing, right? Because at the end of the day, it's me who is creating all this thing for me, with anyway, with the support of God, right? So when I was going through all this thing, there was no connection with anything, and I just made a core choice that what I was feeling at that moment, I was not in a status to just blindly accept that I was obsessive. No, I was not at all obsessive. I was exactly feeling a deep sense of true love in my heart, and I was not in a situation to process all this thing, right? I was not able to even ground, because that was the first thing or first time in my life that I experienced this kind of love in my life, right? So even through all that processes, I just made one core choice, that I want to pursue this love. I just want to follow that path in my heart. I just want to follow that love that is coming, within my heart, and I just want to see what is exactly the truth of twin flame. I really want to pursue my true love. That's what my, base or my foundation from where I made this core choice to go deeper. And I started searching for my guru, where I can completely trust, and I can completely surrender to them, because it twin flame spiritual path needs a lot of surrendering, a lot of surrendering. Does not mean that you are making yourself less in front of anyone else, but surrendering is you are just constantly surrendering the ego and constantly choosing the love, that divine love. So that's what is surrendering mean, that constantly making choices. It's a very active process. It's not at all like a still or a dull process. It needs a constant flow of energy, a constant process of doing the inner work within yourself, and then constantly pursuing that love and moving forward. And yes, when I was healing through that, I constantly feel the presence of my twin flame, and her support within my heart, right? If she would have not been there, I you know I'm sure this is not me, what I have pursued. I was not at all this person before meeting my, or even before choosing my twin flame journey, right? I was completely lost. Today I know who I am. Today I connect with myself on a deeper level. Today I know what my life purpose is. Today I know how love flows through my heart. Today I know how to share that unconditional bond with people around me. And today I know how to attract those divine connection in my life, right? So this is what I came into only because I had that just one thing, that I have my true love in this world. As I am here, and as I am choosing my harmonious union, as I am moving towards my harmonious union, I know that my twin flame is doing that. Only because that that energetic support, I started this journey, right? Initially I will say this is enough to start your journey, right? And then when I pursued with my complete honesty, complete true, and accepting my true feelings, I developed my actual relationship with God. Yes, there were a lot of upset around God itself, right? That's why I never felt connected, because there was no connection with God. So I will say it was only my twin flame who supported me to pursue God, to pursue my ascension, right? And I only could able to do it, and every day, every morning I wake up, I am able to choose this only because I have the support of my twin flame. And how I do it in my day-to-day life, like if it can be simple cooking, right? If I'm just cooking something, I feel the presence of my twin flame in my space, and I cook as if I'm cooking along with her, and I cook as if I'm cooking because it's going to be served to God, right? God within me, and that food is going to nourish me, that food is going to give me the energy to pursue everything or do everything that is happening in my life, right? So that is what I do, that is how I partner with my twin flame, and I claim her support in my life, and I claim her presence in my life. And that actually make things very playful, like just it becomes as if the person is there with me, and very playful the moments with her and with God, not limited to the belief anymore that I am alone, I'm just doing it by myself, and am I doing it just am I chasing something that is illusion? No, I feel it is very real, it is very real in my heart. And that actually helps you come out of the separation anxiety on a fast track, because you feel the connection deep within your heart, and your twin flame is a shortcut to go to God, right? The more you choose to love your twin flame unconditionally, you actually establishing a connection with unconditional love itself. And when you establish that unconditional love vibration within your heart, that's what you are going to extend to everyone around you. That's what you are going to extend through your life purpose to everyone, that everyone that you are going to serve, right? So that's why this journey is completely supported by your twin flame. You are not alone. The healing that you are doing, you are not only doing for yourself. The moment you heal any core blocks, you will see that healing being mirrored back to you by your twin flame. That gives you that also that energy to move forward, that yes, the work that I am doing is actually working, and I am supported with my love, I'm supported with my twin flame, I'm supported by God, and I'm just have to just move forward. And I know that the more I am moving forward in my life, the more I am choosing God by myself, my twin flame is choosing that. and my ascension is matter of my choice, and it's a core choice, and I pursue it. And I would love to support. If you want to work with me, I have given my website. You can connect with me through that. Thank you.